So first, let's go onto our desktop computer where we have the Procreate Brushset file. And what you want to do is you want to get it into your iPad. The easiest way if you have a Mac is to airdrop it. So you can just click airdrop, choose your iPad, and that'll automatically load the brushes. The other thing you could do is drag it into your iCloud drive. You could drag it into a Dropbox folder, or you can hook your iPad up with a USB cord to your computer and transfer the files over via iTunes. If you use the airdrop method, the brushes will automatically be loaded. If you use any of the other methods, what you need to do is click here on your files and it'll show up in your iCloud drive if you dropped it into iCloud. If you transferred it via iTunes, it'll be here in your Procreate folder. And if you put it into Dropbox, it'll be here in your Dropbox folder. But we've already got these brushes loaded, so I want to show you how to use them.